I agree with part of the keynote when it was mentioned that India doesn't need foreign portfolio investment, but it really does need foreign direct investment. And the reason for that is the diffusion of technology and innovation into the economy. And India's going to innovate a lot. It's going to spend a lot on R&D over the next couple of decades, but it's not going to beat everyone else on that. So it's going to need these ideas to infuse in. And that's how you get to an economy of $3,000 per capita to one that's 6 or 7. And China did that. It did FDI not because it needed the foreign exchange. It did it because it wanted the ideas and the infusion. And China's gone to the world's best maker of cars, the best maker of batteries. And for India to access global value chains at the right level, not at the bottom in terms of raw materials, but at the real value add, you need the expertise and ideas. So there needs to be a degree of openness. So certainly you need to be robust to the volatility of the world out there, but it doesn't mean you close yourself off. You need to be open. You need to be in critical mineral chains if you're going to have any form of defense industry. And there are both opportunities to shift into global value chains. Remarkably, in 2025, Indian exports to the US increased, which is quite wild given all the tariffs, but that was because India could produce a good America no longer wanted from China. And so these shifts, you can adapt quickly and do special things. But unless you have the know-how, the skills, and the expertise, most of that can be homegrown, but a lot of that has to be imported in the same way India exports a huge amount of bright people all over the world. That's essential. So these value chains, you're going to need to be smart and have the skills to enter. And you're also going to have to source the imports and the inputs to these value chains. And that's the concern. If we change to a world which is in groups and sections and some countries have control of value chains, then you may be left out on certain production parts. So you've got to be out there, you've got to be open, and then I think the opportunities for Indian manufacturing are huge.